In the architecture and construction business, there's always been a gap between what we design and what people actually see. Plans and renderings can only take you so far. Most people can't look at a set of blueprints and really understand what the end vision of the project's going to look like. So it was our Atlanta location that actually brought Vibe to us. The minute we saw it, we're like, yeah, we definitely need to partner with these guys. So we're really excited to announce that Walk Your Plans and Vibe are forming a national partnership, two really innovative companies in the construction industry that are delivering technology on the cutting edge to the end user.
At Vibe, we believe innovation should bring people closer, not add complexity. That's why we design simple tools to turn static plans into shared experiences that will delight your client throughout the build process.
People who can't be present in the room where we're doing the actual walkthrough are able through Vibe to look at the exact same thing that we're doing. And as we do it live on the floor, they can hear us, they can see us, and they can interact with us. Everything is annotated on the board, and they have direct accountability to make sure everybody gets everything done simultaneously.
Everyone leaves with the same documentation, the same understanding, and the same excitement about the project. Together, we're creating a new standard where great design ideas aren't just understood. They're felt, experienced, and perfected before the first nail is driven.